Okay, let's draw a bench in 1-point perspective. We're going to put our bench just to the side of our trees here. We're going to start our bench with a vertical line. Okay, it's about half as tall as the tree. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the seat of the bench, and I'm going to do that by creating a horizontal line. Then I'm going to, at the end of that horizontal line, make an additional vertical line, making kind of like the letter H. One thing you want to make sure is that your two ending lines are on the same plane. And you can check and make sure that is a horizontal line. Now we're going to draw this bench back into perspective. We're going to put dots to help us guide us back to the vanishing point. So I'm going to put a dot at the top, a dot at the center of the H, a dot at this corner, and then one dot at the bottom as well. Now, just like I did for the buildings, I'm going to draw it back in perspective. I'm going to place my T-square right on the vanishing point, and I'm going to first connect the dots. I'm going to draw lightly so that I can easily erase. Now I'm going to rotate my T-square down to the next dot and draw a line. Rotate again, down, and draw a line. And the last one, I'm just going to draw a very faint line because this is simply going to be a guideline. Now it looks like the letter H has these lines coming off of them. Now we're going to close all these line segments, creating the bench. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to close the top line segment. The top line segment is going to be another parallel line, and it's going to be a parallel vertical line. So I'm going to end that bench right there. Parallel vertical line. Parallel vertical line. The second step is to close the next line segment. The next line segment will be closed with a horizontal line. I'm going to make sure I fill that in entirely. There's just the tiniest little gap there. Okay. And the last step is to add the bench. Last little leg of the bench. I'm going to draw a vertical line at that very far corner, and I'm going to stop it when I hit that guideline. I'm going to erase my original guideline, and now we have a bench. If you'd like, you can add some slats to your bench by simply taking your pencil and rotating it down from the vanishing point, making it look like a wooden bench.